Hi, hello everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple circuits inside a single Logisim circuit file. And you're going to need to do this throughout the whole semester because all of your homework circuit files has to be inside a single folder, as you can see here. So as you open Logisim, this is exactly as you see it. And unfortunately, I cannot make it bigger. It's just the way Logisim is. But you can see there's a folder which is untitled, and there's a single file in here. You don't see anything, but it's called main. As I click on main, I open up this information down here, and it has the circuit name, which is still empty, and some other information. So let's pretend for a moment that this is your homework one. You can come here and call it homework circuit one. And I am going to create a single circuit. It's going to be just a AND gate. So I am going to click here. Oops. Click on the AND gate, put it here. The AND gate takes two inputs, so I'm going to pull them up like so. And I attach the inputs. Now I'm going a little faster here because I know you're going to be watching the other videos dealing with exactly how to connect these things. Okay, this is strictly about letting you know how to create multiple circuits file inside a single Logisim circuit folder. Okay, this is the output. And this is my simple AND gate. I call it homework C1. Okay, I have two inputs and I have a single output. Now, if I want to run, I click on the hand here, and I can tweak on and off on the circuit input. So obviously, this is an AND gate. If I pass a 1 in one of the inputs, the output's still going to be 0. The only way that the output's going to be 1 is if both inputs are 1. Okay, so you know this, right? If the first one is 1, still passes a 0. If the second one is 1, still passes 0. So this is circuit homework 1. I've created it, I'm done. Now, this is your, let's say, homework circuit 1. Now, in your second homework, you would open this very file, and you will right-click on the folder untitled, and you would say, click on Add Circuit. And let's say I'm going to name it homework circuit 2. I have a new panel being open. I will click on it. I can see the same information as before, but obviously the new circuit name is homework circuit 2. And I'm going to create another circuit. Again, I think I just want the AND gate. And I'm going to do the exact same thing as I did before. Just trying to show you how to add and how to use the circuits. Okay, nothing more. Output goes here. This is another AND gate, and it's going to behave. Click on the hand to see behavior. Only going to pass a 1 if both are 1. All right, it works perfectly fine. Okay, so now let's say I want to create a circuit that is going to use both of these circuits. Okay, before I do that, I know Logisim has a tendency to do things very small. So I'm going to click on circuit 1, right-click, and I'm going to say Edit Appearance. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger here. And hopefully I can make two both of the same size. And I'm going to do the same thing on circuit 2, right-click, Edit Circuit Appearance. I'm going to make it bigger. Hopefully these two are kind of the same. Now, right-click again on, position your mouse on the folder untitled, right-click, Add Circuit, and I'm going to say homework circuit 3. Okay, and this time, instead of creating something new, I want to use both of these circuits that I've created before. So my homework circuit 3 is going to be the result of using both of these circuits. So I'm going to click on this, drag to the panel right here. And you see those two blue dots, those are the inputs, and the red one is the output. And I'm going to drag circuit 2 right here. Well, that's nice. They're almost the same size. And now maybe I want to add an OR gate right here. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 inputs for the first one. And I will have maybe 2 inputs for the second one. Okay. This input's going to connect here, and you can see the 2 blue lines. This one is going to connect here. You can change it too in the appearance. I didn't want to change it now to not to delay the video. All right, so the 2 inputs are here. Normally, when you're submitting one of the homework circuit labs, you would label the input as required by the assignment. But for now, it's just to show you how to create multiple circuits in a single file. Okay, so I've connected the 2 circuits, and notice that both of these are AND gates. But inside my folder, I've labeled them circuit 1. It's always going to look like a box. The operation or the behavior of the circuit is when you can see when you click that actual circuit. Okay, same thing with circuit 2. So we'll go back to circuit 3, which uses both circuit 1 and circuit 2, and it connects to an OR gate at the end. Okay, and now, so this is my circuit homework 3, for example. And now I want to test it. Now remember, both of these square boxes, homework circuit 1 and homework circuit 2, are just AND gates. So in order for this out wire, the one that comes out of the box, to be lit up, both of the inputs have to be green because this is an AND gate. And the same for the second circuit, right? It's also an AND gate. It's only going to pass a 1 when both inputs are set to 1. And then the OR gate is going to pick up whichever side to output here. So in the event that only one of the wires is going into the AND gate, the outcome or the output of each AND gate would be off or 0, and the OR gate is not going to pass a 1. But as long as one of the 2 inputs here, one of the 2 inputs are both set to 1, the AND gate's going to pass a 1, and the OR, right, as long as either OR of the inputs is 1, is going to output a 1. So I can output a 1 as my final homework circuitry output is when either these 2 are 1 or these 2 are 1. Okay, as you can see. So this is how you would create a single Logisim file with multiple circuits inside. And this is what we're going to need for this class. All of your homework circuits are going to be positioned inside the single folder, as you can see here. So when you submit your homeworks, homework 1, homework 2, homework 3, I would have to see all of your previous homework files in here. And this is necessary because one of the later homeworks requires the use of several of the previous ones. So the only way for me to run your circuit, your last circuit, is if I have access to the previous ones. And that's why you have to put it inside the single Logisim circuit file, as you can see here. Okay, so hopefully this clarifies how to create and submit multiple circuits inside a single Logisim circuit file.